Step one, choose your target wake-up time. If you could wave a wand and start waking up at whatever time it is that you wanted to each morning, what time would it be? That is your target wake-up time. So select your target wake-up time. That's step one. Step two, start setting your alarm clock beginning tonight 15 minutes earlier than usual, right? Just 15 minutes earlier than usual, and do this for a full month, 30 days. After 30 days, set it back a little bit more by 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, depending on what you can handle. I would suggest 15-minute increments. And then finally, the fourth step is to just keep on going until you're consistently waking up at your target time each day, easily and automatically. So again, tonight, I want you to set your alarm 15 minutes earlier, and when it goes off in the morning, I'm going to share a very simple method with you called the 5-second rule. I want you to try it out. So tomorrow morning, when your alarm clock wakes you up, right, 15 minutes earlier than usual, count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as soon as you say 1, get up like a robot. Just boom, just get up. After a few days, your body is going to have this response to, as soon as you count down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's going to anticipate it, and it will no longer be a struggle for you. Okay, this is huge. It sounds so simplistic, but I'm telling you right now, it works. Your brain actually even associates action with counting down. Right? Think about a rocket launch, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We count down before something big happens, right? That's what we tend to do. So this is big for you, right? Waking up early, establishing this into a habit is big, right? It's important, right? And so to give it that sense of importance, give yourself a countdown every morning. As soon as that alarm clock goes off in the morning, just open your eyes, count backwards from 5, count down from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, get up. Okay? Try this out tonight, and I'll see you in the next lesson.